Tesla teases us with more Cybertruck test track footage. Tesla continues to tease us with more Cybertruck test track footage at the Fremont Factory. And basically everyone who has even a small interest in the pickup is begging for deliveries to begin. It is far from the first time we've seen Tesla put the Cybertruck on the Fremont test track, but as deliveries are set to begin soon. The teasing the automaker is doing to everyone is getting us to a point where we just want them to finally begin. The Cybertruck was most recently spotted on Fremont's test track yesterday, zipping around the turns and accelerating down the straightaways in what is more than likely continuous testing as the pickup is set to hit the streets soon. More than anything, the video of the Cybertruck flying around the track is just another instance of all of us getting entirely too hyped for the imminent release of the pickup. It has been 4 years since Tesla unveiled it for the first time, and with every new image or video of the Cybertruck that hits the internet, things get a little more serious. We are still awaiting any indication that the EPA has started assessing the Cybertruck for its certificate of conformity, which would allow Tesla to officially begin deliveries. While we have heard various rumors about Cybertruck deliveries, nothing can truly be handed over to the public without the certificate of conformity and crash test worthiness assessments from the NHTSA. Until then, Tesla will continue testing, which is likely what has been the cause of all the sightings of the Cybertruck over the past 6 months. Things have definitely gotten more serious over the past few weeks, as crash-tested Cybertrucks have been spotted on several occasions, including one that was rolled and showed a fully intact cabin. Tesla Cybertruck cabin looks intact after rollover test. Although the Cybertruck is known for its ruggedness, polarizing design, and assumed utility, it is still an electric vehicle built by Tesla, which means it will be equipped with white-knuckle speed and acceleration. It will be far from your traditional pickup truck, that is for sure. While Tesla will continue flaunting it before our eyes, it will all be over soon, at least we hope. Tesla still has plans to deliver it before the end of the year. It sure would be fitting to have the first deliveries roll out on the 4-year anniversary of the Cybertruck unveiling event, wouldn't it? Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.